Here's some Dig for Victory trivia. Subscribe. What campaign in Britain promoted self-sufficiency during II? Is it A, Dig for Victory, B, War Bonds, C, Rationing Scheme, or D, Blackout Campaign? The correct answer is A, Dig for Victory. Which vegetable was encouraged for home growing in Britain during WWII? Is it A, turnips, B, onions, C, radishes, or D, potatoes? The correct answer is D, potatoes. In what year did the Dig for Victory campaign start? Is it A, 1936, B, 1950, C, 1944, or D, 1940? The correct answer is D, 1940. What type of production was emphasized by the campaign? Is it A, electronics production, B, food production, C, clothing production, or D, fuel production? The correct answer is B, food production. Where was the Dig for Vic campaign primarily promoted? Is it A, Australia, B, Canada, C, United Kingdom, or D, India? The correct answer is C, United Kingdom. What type of gardening space was especially encouraged? Is it A, vertical gardens, B, private gardens, C, allotments, or D, hydroponic farms? The correct answer is C, allotments. Which audience was particularly targeted with the campaign's message? Is it A, households, B, students, C, businesses, or D, corporations? The correct answer is A, households. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.